So this is a pound dollar analysis for Tuesday the 29th of May. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had price come down towards this 33.04. The price trade slightly below it, from which we did see the bullish bias type momentum taking us up towards the 33.40. Had a brief sell-off, pullback, pulsed a lower high. At prices retested 33.04, from which we have seen bullish bias type momentum to the upside. We weren't able to see the price progression towards that 33.50, and what we are seeing now is the continued sell side momentum breaking through is 33.04. So we do seem poised for a test of 32.81, successfully breaking the 32.81 to the downside. Could potentially see prices head down towards the very next level that we are looking at here to the downside. Would be a move down towards, if we do break the 32.81, we're looking for prices to head down towards that 32.20. Successful break from which we're then looking for price head towards that 31.93. Now I don't anticipate price to move much beyond the 31.93, but if we did see the price progression beyond the 31.93, we were then looking for prices to head down towards the 31.47, very next major level marked out here in red. If, however, we were able to find support at 32.81, we're looking for a retest 33.04, and if we do successfully break from there, we're looking for a move up towards that 33.50. Again, this will be somewhat counter trend. I wouldn't expect to see a move in this direction, but if we did move beyond the 33.50, 33.68 may just come into focus, and I'd expect that to be the far end of the range here today to the upside. Similar to the downside, possibly 31.93 being the far end of the range to the downside. So let's just have a look here at the daily chart. We get the scale on here correct. And pretty much as we can see, we've had a strong persistent sell-off, fundamentally driven. Strong sales momentum went into this consolidation in around the 200 period moving average, from which we have seen this breakdown in prices, and we've seen the price progression here towards the downside. So we are in and around this area where we've previously had a pullback. So we'll look to see if we do find support there, but failing that, we then look at the price hit possibly down towards that 130 level, slightly above the 130, in around a 30.50 or so, where we previously had a pullback and found support. So those are pretty much levels that we are looking at from a daily chart perspective. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.